Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I am experimenting with a tin of black paint. This is called Night Sky by Dulux, but it's in the British Paints Walls Interior Low Sheen. So it's extra bright is the base, so I'm not sure if it's going to work, but I'm going to experiment with it. So let's get started. Now, because I'm working with black, I'm going to get the gloves on, and I've just got a small 10" by 10" canvas here, and I thought I would use some more neutral, kind of a bit of bright orange, maybe a bit of yellow on the black base, and I'm probably going to swipe with the black. Right, so I'm going to keep it fairly simple like my last one. I hope this works, because if it does, it makes it so much easier to get that dark base. Alright, that should be enough. And yeah, I'm going to do a loaded palette knife swipe. I've made up a creamy colour here, just because I thought it would be nice to have a bit of a light colour if I'm using the black for swiping with. There's some silver there as well. Alright, let's give this a go. I'm pretty sure my swipe mix is going to be slightly darker. Let's get a bit of bright colour in there. The orange, oops, and the yellow. Some of the bronze. Maybe the silver. Oh, actually I haven't done the cream. Let's try that. Okay. We need to get more colour in, I think. So I'm not sure about this yet. I'm actually thinking about laying down a little bit of paint. That's nice. So if I lay a bit down. So we'll see how this goes. Now, stick under here. Okay, that's more than enough, I think. Got this nice big orange bit going through here. I'm hoping this will expand quite a bit. Let's find out. It's like a Payne's grey. Ah. I feel like it needs to move still. Something like that. I'm curious to see how dark this dries because I can see the black lacing. Oh, we've got some black missing. Okay, feel like it needs a tiny bit of brightness though. Oh, I don't know if I want to risk doing it. Like a bit of yellow through there maybe. So last time I tried to do something like that, I ruined it. Come on, bubbles pop. This was only mixed for in the shop not that long ago, so seems to have quite a few bubbles. I love this black lacing here. Alright, I'm not going to add anything to it. I'm not sure which angle I like it on. Alright, I'll bring you in for the wet look. Okay, here it is wet. And the colour that I've got almost reminds me of Payne's grey. because of the way the black is sitting, you can see it's, you know, quite different. But it'll be interesting to see how it dries. Yeah, I wonder if the colours will pop a bit more for this one when it dries. I hope so. So I'd like to see it come out a little bit more. The cream colour has become kind of silvery here, and the cells are very interesting. And then over this side is where I did those, laid down the paint, and we've got some blocks of colour going through there. So a couple of different techniques. I love this black cell in here, and then we've got just some wispiness on the edges. So I'll show you the other sides of it when once it's dry. I'll show you then. Okay, here is the dry result, and I'm going to show you the different angles of this. I quite like it this way and that way. I think that's probably my least favorite, but yeah, there's a few different ways you could have this one. What have we got in the way of shine? Oh, look, so there is some shine through there, which is pretty. And edges, there's a little fleck of metallic there on the edge. Yeah. So I like that. I like these cells, and I like these cells. Can we see the black lacing? The black lacing hasn't really come through. I could see it before, but I can see it through this part here. You can probably just see it. This is a slightly different shine, I guess. But yeah, not a bad little piece. I quite like that. I know my husband likes it. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.